king of dumb ideas. We're attaching a smoke grenade to my spec wing. We're gonna see how fast it burns through the whole wing. I expect this thing to get really hot and do some weird things to the plane and or fall off. What we want is to chase that, hit Pizzy's wing with the spec wing and get a nice good shot with Paul chasing all two of us. I think it'll fly with this, but I don't know how well it'll stay on and how well it'll keep cool. So we're about to find out. It's gonna be a quick flight or it's gonna be a very nice flight.
I'm ready. Thanks.
Eric, you're calling it.
Where's Pizzy?
Oh, look at that.
I got him.
Right going on the runway.
Oh, that looks really good, actually.
Pizzy, hold ready.
Is it only blue? Okay, I didn't know. That worked pretty good.
Now you do that spelling thing out here.
Yeah, now you can go through Scully's
Yeah, make a
10.
W.
Can you draw a fat L?
Pizzy, slow down a little bit.
Busy, slow down.
That's what I...
I don't know where Pizzy is, but overtake me.
He's coming towards the runway.
He's coming down the road.
He's running away.
Oh, Paul, are you on me or you on Pizzy?
I'm on you. I want to try to fly behind you. Hold on. Where are you? Busy, you see him? Go for it.
Go through Scully's.
Hey, free key ring.
That's how they
Closer.
pulls versus light and go.
Pizzy, overtake me, I'll follow you.
Hits him. That was awesome though.
Now slow it down.
So many times thinking you knew better than the other guys, riding on backbiting and get away with lies.
I ain't got a text from any of them.
It takes, who is gonna cry? The only thing that matters is you get
Oh!
I lost eyes on Pizzy.
He's right behind you.
Okay.
Inside you. He's inside your right.
Alright, I see a shadow. I got him.
For help, we only think about that stuff. Oh yeah.
I lost him.
He's right above you.
I got him.
I thought it looked so sweet. I said that
That's how you make the jump video better. You do it with smoke.
beating a retreat. When I heard it
Oh yeah. Oh, you're done.
sirens and how them things went down. Living on the trenches.
Gotta love wings, dude. Every time you land, you break the prop.
You always cut me down like a dreamers with them grapes.
All right, confident. All right, Mr. Confident. All right. That was perfect.
Day will come when you first realize what have you done, and you finally get you that rebate and revenge is served. Cool blade and
Yeah.
hear the rope of the shutdown when
They're only at half throttle.
without a sound. And a moment
Get the
we
joke.
will
Hey, try to land on his wing.
He's got a reverse prop. Or pusher prop. Oh. Yeah, that's been done before. Find something new.
Uh-oh.
But I know for sure the day would come when you first realized
I was gonna say.
Oh God! Oh! Oh!
I could play it all out.
Ow!
I need to land.
I could play.
I'm watching that. He bounced again, and he bounced up, and it's like, oh shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
That was fire!
An aggressive touch and go.